I was thinking that we do something a little different today, so I'm a little nervous. I played this multiple times, but each time you're still never prepared, you know? Ew. So cappuccino or liver and onions. So then liver and onions? What the frick? Okay. I'm scared. First bite. Oh. Oh my god. Ew. Ew, ew. I need to get some water. Your girl gotta chase. It's so gross. Okay. Peach or barf? I'm scared, guys. Oh my god. Why does this look so like similar to? Okay, this one's. I'm gonna get the more orange looking one. Peach or barf? Oh my god. Why do I keep getting the bad ones? It's getting stuck in my teeth. Let me chase it with a different one. Oh, okay. And I got the twin, strawberry or dead fish. Please give me a good one. Please. Like, why? Is it this one? I'm so confused. Okay. Strawberry or dead fish? Oh my god. Ew, it's still stuck in my mouth. Oh my god. I'm about to tap out. I can't. How? Why? How did I get 3 in a row? Come on. Okay. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? I'm about done, guys. Like, it's gonna ruin my appetite. I haven't even had lunch yet. Okay. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? Wait, is this the right one? Because they, wait, some of them look really similar. I'm gonna look at the, is it this one? Oh, it's this one. Yeah. Oops. So Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? Tutti Frutti, please. Is there any more? Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? Okay. I'm like reacting before I even taste it because I'm so scared. Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher? I have not tried this one yet. Oh my gosh. Birthday cake or stinky dishwasher? Or dirty dishwasher? Dirty dishwasher. Oh my god. Oh my god. How do they get the flavor so on point? Oh my god, my throat. I do this for comfort, okay? I can't. It tastes like old vegetables that are like have been sitting in the sink for like a week. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm only gonna do like 3 more, and I can't keep doing this, guys. It's so gross. Okay. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg? I don't know if I can do this, guys. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg? Popcorn. Still tastes pretty gross, honestly. But I'll take that over the rotten egg. Juicy pear or booger? Oh my god. Please don't be booger. Please. Pear. Let's just breeze through these, guys. Juicy pear or booger again? Did I say first bite? I can't remember. Oh, booger. Oh, oh my god. I'm sorry, I could not do that one. I had to swallow it. Oh my god, that's so gross. I think this is my last one. I just ruined it. Pomegranate or old bandage? Okay, so I've had this one before. This one's horrendous. Like, I have yet to try the pomegranate. Oh my god, I'm scared. Pomegranate or old bandage? Okay, if I get the old bandage or band-aid, like, I'm done. That's it. Okay, guys? So last bite. Oh, it is. Oh. Oh my god, no. It's all in my mouth. This one like lingers in your mouth forever. I'm done. I'm done. That's freaking gross. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I'm done. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Oh.